Hi everyone! In this video, we'll look at how to perform a full synchronization of all your WooCommerce data with Pipedrive, including data created before you install W2P. The process is straightforward. Navigate to the Synchronization All Existing Data with Pipedrive section. Keep in mind that the synchronization will follow the settings you've configured in the plugin, so make sure everything is properly set up beforehand. To start the synchronization, simply click on Synchronize All. Once the synchronization begins, you can monitor its progress in real time. The process takes time to ensure compliance with your Pipedrive API rate limits. Don't worry, you can close the window at any point and come back later to check the status. During the synchronization, you can open the History tab to view the requests being sent to Pipedrive in real time. The state of your requests will help you confirm that your configuration is functioning correctly. For example, I have some requests with the status invalid, which is normal in my case because my site allows users to place orders without providing a billing company. Since there's no company name, Pipedrive can't process the request to create an organization. For each request, I can see the hook that was triggered, the target category in Pipedrive, the source ID and category that triggered the hook. In this case, user 112 from my site. The resulting Pipedrive ID for the request. Within the details of each request, I can access to the fields and values being sent to Pipedrive. I can also access to tracebacks, which allow me to follow all the events related to that request. Finally, I have access to various filters to locate specific requests and ensure my configuration matches my requirements.